What's up guys, welcome back to the next video on learning Python. My name is QTS Dan and you guys are watching my channel Coraiwood. Alright, so I'm going to remove this because this is from Java and C++, and I'm going to remove this because by now you guys should know this arguments and parameters. Alright, so now there are going to be times when you guys are going to come here. It says, alright, I'm going to put it here. Say for example you guys gonna have another function is called for example rectangle, or you guys want to put a building, for example building, and now at the moment you guys don't want to do anything because you have a function here. If you run your function, that's empty functions, it says that intentional error means there is something, there is on line 10, means there is a problem here. Why there is a problem? Because you guys have a function that is open. It's like C++ is open like that. This part is open, it means there's a problem. You guys have a problem, you guys didn't close it. So you guys have a problem here because now you left something open and you didn't close it. So because why Python is giving you error? Because here we have opened it and we didn't put anything inside here. So how to fix this problem? There are going to be times when you have say for example have a building. For example, you can even call here your building, but you guys are still going to get error, and Python is still going to give you error because here your function is still open. So how to get around this, how to fix this? You can fix this by calling pass. So if you guys going to put a pass, it means the Python is gonna know that all right, you guys at the moment is not using this function, and you're all good. So now if you run, Python's gonna be happy. So you guys gonna look here, all the errors gonna away. Why? Because the just a simple word pass, very useful word, and trust me, when you're doing high level programming, especially object oriented programming, high intensity programming, you guys have a lot of functions. Say for example you guys just want to draw something, you guys gonna put a define for example x, and you guys need to parse it. Then you're gonna put a define because at the moment you don't need it, you guys want to need it in the future, and you just want to pass it. Or just for example you need for Python to just to Python know this, there is a function here, and you can pass it. Even if it's empty, you can pass it, and when we run it, absolutely there is absolutely no error, just because we put a pass here. So pass is very useful when you guys are having your script and you don't want an error. Keep in mind, in high intensity programming you need this function pass to, so when you're leaving in empty, you have needs to put this one. But with C++, sometimes you don't even need to put anything here. Say for example you guys need to put int, for example xyz, you can leave it empty, no problem. Sometime you guys get error because this is C syntax. But with Python you guys need to define everything, and there is something called indentation, and if you look in here there is a 4 space here. So the Python is very strict on indentation. C++ and PHP, say for example, or any other language, C family of languages, they are not there. They don't care if you're going to put in 1 line or you're going to put in 50 line. But Python cares. So you has to follow the rules. And when you guys have your empty function, you guys need to put a pass. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys have any question or comment, leave it in the comment box. Otherwise I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.